giving our employees just a different way of looking at mindfulness, looking at stress strategies and so forth. And I think it's just an interesting and new technique for people to get across and to, I suppose, learn a little bit more. So it tied in nicely with where our strategy was. And I think our employees are recognising that there's different ways that we can kind of help, which is awesome that we've got that appetite already.
It's not something I've had any kind of real exposure to before.
Emotional freedom technique is a combination of two things. One is the modern psychology behind it, and the second part is somatic stimulation.
I was surprised in how psychology really neatly ties into the tapping technique.
I don't believe that I can hit my targets, for example. I just can't do it. I don't know what's wrong.
The research that's going on in the field, some of the impacts that are already being felt by students and then athletes.
And you're stimulating that point, it sends a signal to the amygdala and it calms the amygdala down.
And just that sort of presence of acknowledging and then working down through it and kind of pushing it out, I think it's really helpful.
But we forget the funky monkey part.
I thought Arishma was extremely engaging, interesting. I found myself listening to every single word.
Very engaging.
Extremely honest.
Her confidence is amazing.
Clear, articulate. I looked around the room, everyone was listening.
Wonderful, down to earth and very funny.
And I really doubt that this tapping business is going to work. I'm choosing to be okay anyway.
I thought the workshop was extremely interesting, informative.
Yeah, I thought it was a really insightful presentation.
Certainly looked at people's body language and observations throughout the session, and even just sitting back at my desk for 10 minutes after, people are really positive and wanting to learn a little bit more about the technique and wanting to even mentioning those tapping circles as well. So I think there's definitely appetite.
It's got me really thinking about ways that I can introduce this in my own life and with my family.
Easy to use takeaways, which you can use in your work life, your home life.
I'm really looking forward to trying these techniques from Thrive with EFT to be a more effective person and reach my goals.